Okay, we're live.
Yay!
Okay, whose opportunity is it to say the prayer?
I don't know, but I can pray.
I can
Thank
pray.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, here we go. Our kind and gracious Heavenly Father, we are so grateful for this opportunity that we have to be able to meet together as a group. We're grateful for all that Thou hast given us and the opportunities that we have to be able to attend BYU Idaho. We ask at this time to please help us so we might be able to help one another understand our statistics assignments. We ask thee to please be with us that we might be able to learn all that we can. And we say in Jesus Christ, amen.
Okay, sorry about that. Okay, how did everybody do on this lesson?
It was okay.
Stop it down.
It's all right. I had to read it a
Yeah.
couple of times.
Yeah.
Yes, watching the tutorial videos helped too after I did everything.
Yeah. Yeah, I had to go through a couple times. Like, okay, what chart is for what, and what numbers are they looking for, and why?
And how do I get it? Yes.
Yeah, for this lesson, Gracie, turn that down, please. For this lesson, well, more so than others, I feel like I understand how to plug it in and find, but like understanding all the numbers and what they mean and why we have to do so many different tests is like, I don't know. I'm just going through the motions at this point.
Me too.
Yeah. Okay.
I feel like with this assignment, like there's not going to be anything to build on top of this one, so like, whatever.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. um, did everybody get through part 2 of the preparation? Should we go through it, or what do you think?
I ended up getting it okay.
Same.
It was number 1 I was having problems with, but with the tutorial thing, they were able to get me through all the right SPSS stuff.
Right.
Okay. Okay. So, anything we need to talk about, or are we ready for the quiz, the group quiz?
So I just want to do a quick thing for this week's group assignment stuff. I have most of, from what I can see, the make inference part is almost all of the things, but most of it is really simple, like the SPSS stuff, just copy and paste, and then just taking, I mean, it's got like, what does it have? 12 things for make inference, and what's Josh's job on it?
Take action.
Take action.
And take action. So there's 12 things on it, but like number 1 is write the title, and number 2 is put everybody's name and stuff. And so like the hypothesis and everything, I just copy and pasted from the other ones. So I just have my little write-up to do, and then I'll send it off. Hopefully I can send it off to everybody by tomorrow at the latest. And then Josh can end up adding his last bit to it, and then turn it in.
Okay.
So that's my plan.
Cool.
Yeah. And then everybody needs to have SPSS open for our group meeting quiz. I already peeked at it.
Okay.
Does it take your time?
What?
I need to open which test we need to open.
It's the math self-efficacy.
Which data set are we using?
That's the data set for SPSS. The math self-efficacy dot save.
Self-efficacy. All right.
I don't know if there's another one. I just know that that one is in the first few questions because I peeked.
Okay.
Okay. Mine's taking a while. Okay, here we go.
Mine's still thinking. I can't. It's not wanting me to get in this morning. Say no, no.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Mine's open. I'm ready to go whenever everybody else is.
Mine's good. Well, I haven't got the math efficacy open yet, but I'll be here in just a sec.
I'm good too.
Good. So I think everybody can open that group quiz part up and answer questions 1 and 2.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Let me get back to it. The true linear regression for equation is y equals beta naught plus beta 1 x, where beta naught and beta 1 are unknown. What are the null and alternative hypotheses for beta 1? C. Right?
Yep.
C?
C.
Perfect. Number 4.
I have B, right?
Yeah.
Someone said B.
Oh,
No,
C.
C like cat.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Yes.
Okay.
Number 4, a residual is what's left over after doing simple linear regression. Is the difference between the observed value y and the value predicted by the regression line.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
I looked it up. B,
B.
like boy. What?
That was my son. It's B. Yeah.
Oh, yes. Boy. Okay. Number 5. A plot of residuals supporting using linear regression when you see a pattern in the residuals, when the residuals are all positive, you see a megaphone shape in the residuals, or the residuals look normally distributed with 0 mean.
B again. It has to be greater than 0. Right?
Honestly, I don't remember.
I don't know either. The plot is linear regression. Okay, I'm going to look at the lesson.
I think it's B.
The linear regression ones, either that you use the scatter plot, which is supposed to look like a hot dog, or you use the dual plot and there's no pattern in it. So I would say also that it's B.
Not right now.
It's the megaphone one.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be a megaphone.
Right. And
And
obviously
that's supposed to be a pattern.
It's not supposed to be a pattern, right?
Uh-uh.
Yeah.
So out of process of elimination, I say it's B.
And residuals have to be greater than 0. So.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my goodness, go away. Number 6, compute the residuals for the math self-efficacy data using software.
Okay.
Score data as the response variable. What statement best describes the residuals?
Okay.
Okay.
So to do this, first we need to do the regression, right? To
Yes.
have that column. Okay. So a couple of steps.
Oh, I'm in the wrong thing.
So the score is what's on the y-axis, right? And the confidence is the x. Is that right?
Yeah, I have confidence on the X and score on the Y.
Okay.
Okay, mine didn't give me a regression column.
I haven't got that far yet.
I think it's a regression column, but I don't know how to look at it to necessarily answer the question. Residuals are all negative is not correct. Residuals are between negative 40 and 25.
What did I do wrong? So what are we looking for here in this first section? Let's see.
I did something wrong on my QQ call. Okay.
Output. Okay, so what are we looking for?
We need to know if the residuals are between negative 40 and 25, or if the residuals are all negative, which I know they're not all negative, or if the residuals form a linear pattern.
I say they form a linear pattern. Because of the QQ plot?
Well, my QQ plot, I must have done it wrong. It doesn't look right. Oh, I know what I did wrong. Okay.
So I've got the confidence interval between 10.664 and 14.04. That's the interval. Degrees of freedom. 7.
Yeah, I agree.
What does everybody else say?
That they form a linear pattern.
That's what I think. I don't see anything with negative 40 and 25.
I see negatives in the residual, but the highest my negative goes, the lowest it goes, sorry, is negative 23. It doesn't go to 40.
Mine was at negative 38. I don't know if I'm doing this right though. Like now it's the output's not making sense.
Did you get the QQ plot like in a straight line?
Yes. Yeah.
I did.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's what I did.
So number 7 asks about the QQ plot. What are they looking for? I don't know what exact. I don't know. I don't know what the question is.
It would be fairly normal because they're right along the line. There's just a few that are above the line.
Yeah,
So
I think.
put fairly normal.
Yeah, I think that's the answer to number 7. I guess they form a linear pattern. I guess that's what the answer is for 6. Because
What do you think, Liz?
they have to be positive, right? I don't know.
But in order to look at linear patterns, right, don't we have to use a scatter plot or a residual plot? So the residual plot is the one that looks crazy, right, like a big blob.
Oh.
But the scatter plot should look like a hot dog.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have to run those in order to say if it forms a linear pattern, or we would go with the residuals are between -40 and 25.
But in question 4, we said that the residuals
can't be negative.
I mean, question 5. So if that's true, then it couldn't be A or B.
Right.
I don't know. Yeah.
Mama, exercise. Mom, exercise.
Yeah, when we go to analyze descriptive statistics and explore, what do we put in the dependent? That's what we put the score, right?
You put the unstandardized residuals.
For the dependent?
For the dependent list.
Okay.
Are you talking about the QQ plot?
For the descriptive statistics.
Yeah.
Okay, and then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you don't have anything in the independent. It's just unstandardized residual in the dependent.
Dependent list. Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Okay. All done, Beth?
So for me, the residual plots didn't have any kind of pattern to it. It just looked like a blob. So I'm going to say, that's why I'm going to say with number 6, that the residuals form a linear pattern.
Mine is kind of a blob too.
Okay. I didn't run a scatter plot. I mean, I could do that. Let's see.
Oh, that's my scatter plot.
No, my scatter plot is a big blob.
Okay. So a scatter plot should look like a hot dog, and a residual plot should look like a blob.
The scatter plot and the residual plot are the same thing.
Okay, then let me go back to that table that they gave us because it's saying different in my notes.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Scatter plot needs to be a hot dog shape. Residual plot, there's no pattern.
There's all the beautiful.
Scatter plot, and the scatter plot does look more. It looks like a hot dog shape. So okay, so we can. I think we can be confident in saying that the residual form is number 6. Seven, based on the QQ plot, the residuals are fairly normal.
Where's that?
So are we on number 7?
Well, I think number 7 is the residuals are fairly normal.
Yes. I think so too.
Okay.
Number 8.
Okay, go ahead.
Use the software to create a scatter plot of the math self-efficacy data. Given the scatter plot, residual plot, and the QQ plot, which of the 5 assumptions about linear regression are satisfied by this data? Check all that apply. There is a linear relationship between x and y.
Yes.
Yes. The residuals are normally distributed.
Yes.
Yep. The variance of the error term is constant for all values of x.
I don't know.
The variance of the error term. That's our residual plot. That it doesn't make a shape.
So is that a yes or no on that one?
I don't remember my residual plot. I thought that was a blob. Let's see. Graph scatter dot.
Okay, so the variance, the residual plots talk about, give us information about the variance, and the QQ plot gives us information about the error term, and so I would say that it's constant for the values of it. I would say it's a yes.
Yes, the variance of the error term is constant for all values of x.
Because there's no megaphone shape.
Yep.
Or no constant.
It looks like a blobby tadpole. Sort of. The x values are measured without error.
True.
And the observations are independent.
True.
Can we figure those ones out? Those last two?
It says those two cannot be checked directly.
Right.
So,
go ahead.
Oh, I'm just wondering if it's a trick question, because I don't know, or is it always true? Do we just assume it's true?
I have what you hoped is that the x's should be measured accurately and knowing
precisely.
One of the y's tells you nothing about any other.
Okay, so using the scatter plot, residuals plot, and QQ plot, which of these 5 can we figure out with those 3 things? And so I think it's just the first 3.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay.
Okay. What is B1, the estimate for the slope?
Let's see here.
Yeah, 45 seconds. How do we find that?
Where do we find the slope? I forgot.
I don't remember the little thing.
I got the upper and lower bounds. Do we plug in T to find the slope? Oh, I can't remember.
It should just be in the output.
slope is 12.695.
Yes, I just found mine. 12.695. I have the same. It's in the coefficients box.
Yeah.
And it's the confidence rating mean. It's the first, and then it was so constant will be on top, and then confidence rating mean is underneath, and then you move over to B, and it's that confidence rating mean.
Okay.
How did you get that box? Because I have different numbers, and
You don't have the coefficients box?
I do, but it's not the same numbers. I got 1.022.
No, go. That's standardized error. Go over one to the B.
Yeah, it's 0.000. So I don't think mine is accurate. So what did you do in SPSS to find that?
Okay, so you go to analyze regression, linear,
Okay.
and then for your Y variable, you put in score. The dependent is score. The independent is
Confidence.
So you didn't do the residual.
The what?
Okay. So you didn't. It's not the. That's not where you put the residual stuff.
No.
No.
Okay.
And then you go up. Then you hit the statistics button.
I got it now.
You got that? Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, 12.695.
Okay.
Yay. Everybody got that on theirs?
Okay, thank you.
Number 10. What is the confidence interval for B1?
That would be A.
Yeah.
That's
My numbers are a little bit different.
10 point something to 14 point something.
Yeah.
My numbers are different, but I mean it's 10.674 to 14.715.
Yeah, those are the numbers that I have too.
But I bet if you do it in Excel or something, that's where it's different.
Maybe. I haven't bothered to learn Excel stuff for this class.
Me either.
Okay, number 11. Based on the evidence and using level of significance, alpha equals 0.05, what decision would you make regarding the hypothesis test for beta 1?
Well, it's close to 0. Oh,
B.
Reject the null hypothesis because the p-value is less than alpha. Does that sound good to everybody?
Yes. Sorry.
Did you say you can't find it, Annette?
No, I did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, I got it.
Okay, number 12. For a hypothesis test for beta 1 slope, if you reject the null hypothesis, what does it mean?
C.
If you reject it,
Isn't it?
I always
I would
forget.
say it was C. Did you say it was C?
Yeah. Because the null,
I have notes somewhere.
but
you
remember
explain.
the null is that it's equal to 0.
Mm-hmm.
And since we're rejecting the null, then it obviously means that it's not 0, that there is a slope.
That's what I'd put.
Okay, and we have sufficient evidence. Correct?
Yes.
C, sufficient evidence. That's the part I always have to, I hate those double negative thingies.
Me too. I'm not liking statistics.
I like it better than my parenting class.
Oh, really? Which parenting class are you taking?
220.
Okay.
I think it just all depends on the instructor. That's all I will say. Oh, 13. We're almost done here for the estuarine, whatever. For the crocodile data, which variable is the dependent variable?
It would be the body length.
Body length. Now, 14. We have to have that crocodile data up, I guess. Right?
Man.
Oh, no. Maybe not. Hold on. Since the 99% confidence interval for these data is 7.124 and 8.331, what can you say about beta 1? Okay, so we don't have to open that up.
Okay. Since the confidence interval does not consider those.
Okay, so we have the confidence. Is the
would be B.
answer?
Wouldn't it be B?
There is a 99% chance the confidence interval will contain the true value of B1. Beta 1.
I have in my we did this that it says we are 95% of the true regression slope between 7.218 and 8.103. Since 0 is not in the confidence interval, we can say that B1 does not equal 0. Now, granted, that was a 95% confidence, and we're talking about a 99, but it still is.
It would apply.
Right.
Yeah, I say A2.
So which one?
A.
Okay.
Sorry, I walked away. 13 and red is body length, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Clear as mud.
Ah! I got a B.
Uh-oh. I bet it's
What?
like confidence interval.
Okay, which ones did we get wrong?
Oh my goodness. 5 and 6.
Uh-oh.
6 was my fault, sorry.
5 was mine. I don't know where they got the negative 40 and the 25 though. For 6.
Neither do I, except for in the table, when you look at your residuals column, that's how I did it, or that's where I looked, but I didn't see a negative 40 in my column.
I didn't either.
Yeah, mine's between negative 38 and 23.
Yeah, mine too.
What? So that doesn't make sense. 6 doesn't make sense.
Yeah, can we just be done with statistics forever?
Oh yeah, baby.
Yes, after this class, I will be done with statistics forever.
Yeah.
Made up numbers. Just kidding.
They do. They make up numbers. It's not what's on SPSS.
Right.
Oh, that makes me mad. Oh well. It's a B. Anyway, it's a B+. Oh.
Yeah. Should
Okay.
still keep us up there. Okay.
So I was looking at the homework, and it says that you can. Maybe I read it wrong. It says you are encouraged to collaborate with other students on this assignment.
Right.
For the homework assignment.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it says that every time, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I just never, I guess, read it. So do you want to do the homework assignment then together, or?
I don't care. I'm fine if you guys want to. I am. I haven't done it yet, so.
I haven't done it either.
I haven't done it either. Let's see. Let's see. I don't like that they keep bringing up past stuff in the homework. Like,
Yeah,
who wants
I
to
know.
remember all that stuff?
I don't like that the exams do that too.
Yeah,
Like we're supposed to remember it.
I know.
Like, really learn it or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Ooh, I'm almost out of battery life. I guess I gotta find a plug.
The homework looks kind of long. Like 31 questions.
Oh, is it? All right.
Yeah.
Well, it's the reason why
Well,
I don't necessarily feel like we have to do it together is because they give us the answer key. So, like, I feel like if I don't know it and then I refer to the answer key, then I get it, you know?
Yeah.
But it's up to you guys, whatever you want to do.
What was that? I'm sorry, my computer's dying, so I find my plug.
yeah, we can, like, if we have questions, if we have questions, like, we can ask each other and help each other if the video or answer key doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
All right.
a lot of homework.
Yeah. Did you have any specific questions on it, Annette?
The homework assignment?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
I was going to do that right now.
So, Lisa, with the describe the data, I was just looking at the level of significance for
I'm back.
the estimate stuff instead of the, like, I didn't pull up the probability applet at all, so I don't know if we're supposed to. I was just looking at the level of significance for the p-value, and
Uh-huh.
so I don't know.
Okay.
Anyways. But anyways, all right. Well, anything else?
Okay.
Good luck on your thing, and then I guess Thursday we're just going to go over the final exam. Is
Yeah.
there even a meeting on Thursday?
Yes. Yes, there is.
Okay.
We're going over the review.
Okay, perfect.
At 10:30, right? Or 11.
Oh yeah, is 10:30 good or 11:30 Mountain Standard Time good for everybody?
11.
Can we push it back
Oh.
a half an hour?
It should work for me. Let me just double check my calendar really quick.
Okay.
I haven't.
So
Yeah.
I get them at 10, it'd be 10:30 then, right? Or just 30 minutes back?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just push it back 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that works for me.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay. I have my parenting class. We have our last little meeting, and it's only supposed to be an hour long. But
Well, who's the teacher for that class, just so I have that information about maybe teachers not to take?
Monica Perez.
Okay.
Yeah, I sent her an email last week, and she sent out a group email to the whole class today, but she hasn't responded to mine at all.
Yeah.
There are other things, but yeah.
Yeah, I don't particularly love my psychology teacher, so if any of you have to take psychology, what's the number on it?
I do have to take it.
201?
Whatever it is.
201, yeah, let me know if you, and I'll tell you which teacher to avoid.
Yes, please, tell me.
Yeah. 'Cause I'm
His name's Bergen, B-E-R-G-E-N.
Oh, okay. That's what I'm on a waiting list for, I think.
Okay.
Cool. I'll just drop that one and find another class to take. Oh, life.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, good. Well, thanks, ladies.
Okay.
We'll see you at 10:30 Pacific time, 11:30 Mountain time on Thursday.
Okay. Sounds
Okay.
good.
Thanks.
Okay. Thanks.
All right.
Bye.